to Study with Malsha YouTube channel. So my dear kids, today we are going to learn how to add headers and footers into your document. To get started, go to Insert tab. Under Headers and Footers group, we have Headers and Footers options. In today's example, I am going to add a header. So, they have given you some sample template headers. Let's try one of them. And I'm going to fill data inside them. Alright, so now let's try another way to add headers and footers. Let's try a footer now. I will double click on the bottom of my page and open the footer area. So now you can add any kind of data here. I need to insert the date. So click the date and time option from the Design tab. As the last item, I will add a picture as a logo. So you can simply click the picture option and select the picture you need. So after that, you can resize it like this. Okay, now we are done. So you can close your header and footer with this red color cross. So now you can see adding headers and footers are very easy. So see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.